The product model you have searched for is ADA4870ARRZ. The ADA4870ARRZ is a high-speed, low-power operational amplifier designed for a wide range of applications. It offers a high-gain bandwidth of up to 1.8 GHz and a low input voltage noise of 1.2 Hz, making it suitable for demanding signal conditioning and amplification tasks. With a supply voltage range of ±2.5 V to ±5 V, it can operate in various power supply configurations. The ADA4870ARRZ features a unity gain stable architecture and provides excellent distortion performance, making it ideal for use in audio and video applications, as well as in high-speed data acquisition systems. Its small package size and low power consumption make it a versatile choice for space-constrained and battery-powered applications.